All right, guys, Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I was off yesterday. I got back and we sold another RMAX 1000 and we got the sound system here. I'm going to go surprise the tech and see how the install's going. Let's see what he's got to say. What are you doing, Kevin?
Hey, Jared.
So I was gone yesterday and got another RMAX going out the door, and you installed the audio system.
I did.
And what do you think?
It's a really nice design. It's a really easy install. There's no cutting. There's no drilling. They've already got pre-installed holes for the cables that go in. The speakers in the doors. They're already a panel in place that you just pull the front cover off and pop the panel out and screw the speakers in place. The cables run through pre-designed factory holes and grommets. The brain of the unit is really nice to install because previous years they tucked back here behind the firewall. It was really tight. And this one now just mounts right under the hood in factory installed holes and bolt locations.
So the sound system does not come on the XTR or the standard model. What all is included in the kit? So you've got the head unit.
Got the head unit, the brain, both front and rear, or front left and right speakers. You've got the auxiliary port there for plugging in an MP3 or your phone. It has a rear speaker cable kit. Rather than running it, I just stuck it in the glove box. This ties into the brain unit, and then you run the cable down under the dash through the center console, and then it would plumb under the seat and then up the B pillar for rear speakers.
All right, so that came with the kit.
It did.
Okay.
And since this one didn't call for rear speakers, we'll just put that in the glove box so you can use it later. Yeah, it was a very easy install.
So from start to finish, how many hours?
About 3 hours.
3 hour job to get it done. Perfect.
Center console pulls out really easy.
Nice. All right, we'll get it fired up. We'll do a audio clip for you guys coming up. Just wanted to do a little walk around, show you a little bit about how the kit works. We're excited to start seeing the accessories come in for the RMAX by the semi-loads. So stay tuned, a lot more install videos to come. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. Have a great day, everybody.